In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Notion CRM like Salesforce in just 5 minutes. If you're someone who wants an efficient and flexible CRM system without the complexity of traditional platforms, this setup is perfect for you. So, let's dive right in and transform your Notion workspace into a streamlined CRM solution. First, we need to access our Notion workspace. If you haven't signed up yet, head over to the Notion website and create an account. But since we're focusing on those who already have an account, go ahead and open your connected workspace. This is where your wiki, documents, and projects all live in harmony. And soon, so will your CRM. Now, once you're in your workspace, you need to log in. It's straightforward. Just click on the Login button. If you experience any issues, remember that your login details must be correct, so double-check them if necessary. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself at the Notion home. This is your central hub and the starting point to build anything you'd like. From here, one crucial step is to click on Templates. This option is going to open up a world of ready-made setups you can use directly or modify to your liking. Templates are a great way to save time and effort, as they provide a structure that you can build off rather than starting from scratch. After accessing the Templates section, look for the search bar and type in Sales CRM. Notion has a variety of templates that are designed to help manage sales operations efficiently. Take some time to browse through these options. Each template offers different features and layouts, so choose one that best fits your needs and preferences. Once you've chosen a suitable template, you'll need to select it. This will allow you to view the structure and features it offers. When you're satisfied with your choice, simply click on Add. This action adds the template to your workspace, enabling you to customize it according to your specific CRM needs. The final touch to this process is to edit the template. This is where you can truly make your CRM your own. Customize fields, layouts, and styles to match your workflow and make it a perfect fit for your team's operation. Remember, the slogan here is flexibility. The more personalized you make it, the more useful it will be. That's it. In just a few simple steps, you've set up a CRM within Notion that can rival the likes of Salesforce. With this new tool, managing your customer relationships, tracking sales, and organizing contact information has never been easier. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find your new Notion CRM setup both practical and efficient.